Hey guys, good morning. Time check, it's 8 a.m. It's too early. So ngayon Team Labs, mag-grocery tayo. Hindi naman sobrang grocery, parang konti lang. Wala na kaming banana, wala na kaming milk. Mga ganun lang, mga konti-konting konsumo sa bahay. Okay, Team Labs, yan, naka-grocery na ako. And my... Yes. Okay, so... For 3 days na hindi ako nag-work, yeah, na-miss kong area na to. Yeah. Yun, nakakamiss talaga yung, my best friends here. Anyway, Team Labs, work mode muna tayo. Yeah, kumain ako and yeah. Okay, Team Labs, so ngayon nandito ako or kami ni Celeste sa post office. Kasi may pinick up lang si Celeste na galing sa kaibigan niya. Supposed to be, na-deliver yan yung kukunin ni Celeste last weekend, but kaso wala kami doon sa bahay. So yun, yung package niya pinadala dito, kukunin ni Celeste dito. Okay, so after dito, Team Labs, ay pupunta kami sa doctor para sa check-up ni baby. So yun, hinintay ko lang si Celeste, Team Labs. So...
Hello Team Labs, so today is Monday, November 1st. Yes, the first day of November. Oh, it's your birthday month, Daddy John. And we are on our way to the doctor for my appointment with the OB. So today, di-discuss yung results nung nakaraang scan namin, which was the morphology scan. And I also have a referral, I think, for the gestational diabetes test. And then, yeah, I just came from the post office to claim a parcel. And I received a gift from my friend, Wayna. Thank you so much, Wayna. This is her birthday gift for me, my letter pa. So, I'll open it later. Let's see kung anong laman. Thank you so much. This is what I claimed in the post office. So, we're running a bit late for a doctor's appointment, but kaya yan. Malilate kami medyo 2:32. Sige. See you later! Tapos na ako sa doctor's appointment. I'm on my way to find John. Hindi ko alam saan siya nakapark. So, hanapin ko lang siya. So, yun. Tapos na ako, Team Love. And, ang bilis lang yung appointment. What you doing over there? So, Team Labs, tapos na ako sa aking check-up sa OB. also diniscuss yung result nung morphology scan ko nung nakaraan. And everything is normal. Baby's growth is tracking well. Normal din. Normal lahat ng mga results ng scan. So that's good. Thank you, Lord. And then I'll have another scan when I'll be on my 28 weeks. Yes, sa 28 weeks uy, diba doon tayo dapat way out ate. So 28 weeks hospital entry, so diri dito mo sud pag dun yata ako pag nanganak na ako.
Huh? Dito?
Kasi dapat doon ta nag way out. Ito sa hospital to na way out eh. Doon ka sana. Anyway, Team Love, so yes, palabas lang kami ng parking, but all is well. And then, chinek din yung heartbeat ni baby, okay din. Blood pressure ko, okay din. 125/75.
Okay.
Okay, and then, next thing na gagawin is the scan, since I'm 40 years old na. So, kailangan i-monitor si baby. Yung growth ni baby, kailangan i-monitor. So, that's why, instead na yung next scan namin is 32 weeks, may isa pa kaming scan which will be on 28 weeks. So, yun, to monitor baby's growth. So, we'll see baby again pag nag-28 weeks na ako. Now, I'm 23 weeks. And then, I'll be busy on 28 weeks kasi mag-gestational, mag-glucose test din yung for gestational diabetes. So hopefully wala tayong gestational diabetes, Team Loves, kasi alam mo naman, diba? So yun, sa 28 weeks din yun. And then another test, not really a test but vaccine. So kailangan namin ni Daddy Labs na magpa-vaccine sa 28 weeks. Then it's called whooping cough vaccine. So both mommy and daddy, even yung mga people in the household din, they're advised to have that vaccine. Pero since kami lang naman sa household, so kami lang yung magpapa-vaccine para protected si baby against whooping cough. So that's also going to be on 28 weeks. So magiging busy tayo, Daddy Loves, pag 28 weeks. Yes. So, yun. All good with the test. Thank you. With the results. So, thank you, Lord. And I'll have another checkup in 4 weeks.
Okay, Team Loves. Nandito na kami sa bahay. And yes, so we're finally home, Team Loves. Yes, we're finally home. Okay, Team Loves, so back to work tayo. Dami pang gagawin, Team Loves. Ito yung flowers, Team Loves. Di ko na lang nakuha yung reaction ni Celeste pero nagustuhan niya.